So let's look at the tagging facility. This allows you to identify individuals as part of one or more groups, and by assigning them a tag. So very useful feature. Let me just show you how it works. So when you look at view results, right, so you may have initially it's easy because we've only got maybe small numbers, but pretty soon you're going to end up with a lot of people. And maybe you want to identify all the people who applied for a specific job reference, or maybe you just want to identify everybody from a certain department or from a certain workshop, or something that makes sense of them and group them together. So the way we do this is using this tag facility here. Okay, and here's how. The first thing you need to do therefore is go and create a tag. So we go over to Tools, and if you go to Tools and you don't see user tags listed, then just make sure you contact PeopleMaps and ask for it. It's an advanced optional feature, and just make sure that you request it, and that will be added to it. So we select user tags, and I've just created one called Glasgow August, which I can delete or edit. Let's create a new one. Let's say it's workshop September. Okay, so this essentially I want to be able to identify everybody who attended a workshop in September that I did, for instance. So we then go back to view results, and I can see my people here, and let's say I know this person and this person both were at the workshop in September. I come down here to assign tags, and I select workshop. It asks me am I sure, I say OK, and now they've been assigned those tags. So you can see that here, tags, and it tells you which tags. So this one here has actually been allocated 2 tags, because previously I also tagged them with Glasgow August, so I know that this person was at both of those events, whereas this person here was just at the September event, and I can see that here. Now this is a small list we're only working with here, but if you had a big list and you're looking at everybody on your list, you might have hundreds or even thousands of people registered, then you can very easily just identify the people who were at the September workshop by going tag, workshop, and search, and there we go. September workshop, September workshop. It's as simple as that. Do contact PeopleMaps if you have any questions or get stuck with this for whatever reason. And of course you can edit these tags, you can change them later on, and you will find your own way of doing it. I say usually by job reference is a really common one, so you can see everybody who applied for a specific job. And of course you can make sure that when they're applying for that job at that time that they tell you the job reference as well. So it just allows you to tie all the information together and group it and search it and find it in ways that make sense to you.